Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix HP laptop camera not working. Alright, let's begin. First, check if your HP laptop has a camera privacy shutter. If it does, slide the shutter open to make sure the webcam is not blocked. If the camera still does not work, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select Camera. Turn on camera access and make sure Let apps access your camera is enabled. Scroll down and confirm the app you are using has permission to access the webcam. If the issue continues, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. If you cannot find cameras, click View and enable Show Hidden Devices. Right-click your camera driver, select Uninstall Device and click Uninstall. Finally, restart your HP laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the camera driver and the webcam should start working normally again. That's it for this video. Thanks.